Guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to give you transition pack for completing 10,000 subscribers on this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're going to miss more editing packs and tutorials that will make your videos look next level, and there will a big surprise in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and turn the notifs on now. If you're a complete beginner, then stick to this video. I will show you how to use the transition in your edits, and I am setting 500 likes target. But don't worry, the preset link will be in the comments section. So make sure to complete it to keep motivating me to bring more videos like this. Now let's begin.